Welcome to Territory Asia channel. Conversation at the grocery store.
Wow, it's very busy here today.
Yes, Saturday are usually very busy. Have you got the shopping list?
Yes, let me just get it out of my bag.
Look, they've reduced the price of apples. We should buy some.
We've run out of fruits, so that's a good idea.
I'll get the apples, you look for the milk.
We don't need milk, we've still got a carton left at home.
So, what do we need?
Well, there are quite a few things we need to buy. Let's work our way around the store. Look, the dairy aisle is close by. Let's grab some butter and cheese from there.
Okay, well I ended up getting fresh bananas and some vegetables from the produce section. They were on sale.
Ah, great. Lucy loves bananas, so it's good you got those.
Do we need anything from the bakery section?
To be honest, I'm trying to cut down on cakes. Do you want anything from there?
I've just really been craving chocolate cookies, so I'll get one pack.
Mummy, can we please also get ice cream?
Sure. Lucy, it's very hot today, so ice cream is perfect for this weather.
Yay. Thank you. Can I also get some sweets?
No, darling. Remember, the dentist said you can't eat any sweets. I'll buy some ice cream for you though. I just can't seem to find it.
Oh, fine.
Oh, that's strange. There's no ice cream in the frozen section.
Hi there, can I help you with anything?
Yes please, we're looking for ice cream. Do you know where it is?
Have you checked in the frozen section?
Yes, we can't see any ice cream there.
Okay, let me check in the back for you. Hi, unfortunately, all the ice cream has sold out. Sorry.
Ah, what a shame. It must be because of the hot weather.
Yes, that's right.
Lucy, would you like a cold drink instead?
Fine. But I really wanted ice cream.
Will you have ice cream in stock by tomorrow?
Yes, we are expecting a delivery at 7 a.m.
Great, thanks. I'd also like to ask, does the pie contains any meat?
No, it's suitable for vegetarians. Is that what you wanted?
Yes, exactly. We don't want to buy anything that contains meat.
However, it does contain alcohol. It's stated in the ingredients on the back of the packet.
Oh, I better not buy it then. Thanks for your help.
No problem. I'll be walking around the store. If you need help with anything else, just let me know.
I think we have everything we need. Let's pay for our shopping.
Hi, how are you?
Great, thanks. It's a beautiful day today.
Oh, indeed. I'm gutted, because my shift finishes at 10 p.m.
Oh no, well, I think it'll be sunny again tomorrow.
I hope so. Would you like me to pack your bags?
No, thank you. I think we can manage. Come on, Lucy, help us out.
No problem. That's $40.50 altogether then, please.
Can you just double check the price of cereal? They should be on offer.
They are $3 each.
Oh, I thought they were cheaper. Can you remove them, please?
Sure. Is everything else okay?
Yes, thanks. Can I pay by card?
Yes, we take contactless payments.
Great, thank you.
Would you like your receipt in the bag?
Yes, that would be great.
Make the most out of sunshine. Take care.
Thanks, bye.